Hello everyone. Running a business is like steering a ship through uncertain waters. Risks are everywhere. Some you can see, but others, legal risks, lurk beneath the surface. They're unseen until they hit, but when they do, the damage can be severe. The good news? Preparation and the right tools can keep your ship afloat. In this lecture, we will talk about legal risks, how to spot them and how they arise and how to minimize or eliminate them. By the end of this session, you will understand what legal risks are and where they come from. Learn how to identify common legal risks in business. Discover practical ways to reduce or avoid these risks. Alright, let's talk about what are legal risks. Legal risks are problems that lead to lawsuits, fines, or penalties. They can come from poorly written contracts, ignoring labor laws, using someone else's intellectual property, or skipping permits. If left unchecked, they can cost money, ruin reputations, and even close your doors. Your business is a ship, and legal risks are the hidden rocks. Without inspections and planning, you risk disaster. A strong ship, well maintained with a clear course, avoids these dangers. A proactive approach to legal risk keeps your business steady no matter the storm. Identifying common legal risks. Contracts and agreements. Vague contracts are a trap. Without clear terms, disputes arise. For example, if a supplier contract does not include a delivery timeline, missed deadlines can cause chaos. Employment practices. Ignoring labor laws, safety standards, or anti-discrimination policies is dangerous. Not paying overtime or failing to accommodate employees leads to lawsuits. Intellectual property. Using unlicensed content or neglecting to trademark your brand invites trouble. For instance, using a copyrighted image in marketing can result in fines. Data privacy and security. Customer data must be protected. Mishandling it or failing to comply with privacy laws like GDPR can lead to hefty penalties. Regulatory compliance. Operating without permits or licenses is asking for trouble. A food business ignoring FDA guidelines risks being shut down. Practical steps to mitigate legal risks. Conduct regular audits. Review your contracts, licenses, and compliance records often. Regular checks catch problems before they grow. Draft clear contracts. Write agreements that are detailed, fair, and reviewed by a lawyer. Clear terms to prevent disputes. Educate employees. Train your team on data privacy, workplace safety, and anti-discrimination laws. A knowledgeable team reduces mistakes. Protect intellectual property. Register your trademarks, copyrights, and patents. Do not use unlicensed content, it's not worth the risk. Comply with regulations. Stay updated on laws affecting your industry. Renew permits and licenses on time. Use non-disclosure agreements, NDAs. Protect sensitive business information. Make your employees and contractors sign NDAs to keep your secrets safe. Secure data. Encrypt sensitive information and use strong passwords. Good security policies protect your customers and your business. Consult legal experts. Work with attorneys or compliance officers. Their expertise can help you avoid costly mistakes. Now let's talk about the role of risk management plans. A risk management plan is like a map for your business. It defines risks, assesses their impact, and creates strategies to handle them. Regularly review and update the plan to stay ahead of new challenges. Create a risk management checklist for a hypothetical business. Focus on contracts, employee practices, and data security. Legal risks are part of running a business, but they do not have to derail you. Spot them early, plan for them, and address them head on. Risk management isn't about avoiding trouble, it's about building a business that's ready to grow and thrive. So, what did you think of this lecture? Are there specific areas like intellectual property or data security you would like to explore further? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our course. For more such content, keep exploring Eduta.